Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Last week it was Portland. Now it's councillors from St. Catherine who are concerned about the health of residents whose deliberate actions may be contaminating water from a catchment tank in Sligoville. The matter was raised at the Municipal Corporation's Infrastructure Committee meeting this week, where one councillor called for a national response to the problem. TVJ's Krista Campbell reports.
The safety of water being consumed by residents raised at another municipal corporation meeting, this time in St. Catherine. Water Quality Inspector Claudette Simmons delivering the news in a report to the Infrastructure Committee meeting this week.
There's a problem with the tank cover, so therefore persons have access to the water. And apparently what has happened is that persons keep removing the chlorine bottle that is placed there to treat the water. As it relates to the Klebsiella pneumonia that is found in organisms that is isolated from the water, it is as a result of the water not treated.
The Klebsiella bacteria can be dangerous if it gets outside the intestine to other parts of your body, especially if you're already sick. It can give you pneumonia, infect your wound or blood, and cause other serious problems. The bacteria can turn into a superbug that's almost impossible to fight with common antibiotics. It's why Councillor for the Waterford Division, Fenley Douglas, is calling for a national response to the issue. He's even suggesting that the practice of tampering with water supplies be treated as an act of terrorism.
Chairman, in some countries, national guards protect dams. In some countries, dams are underground. They're built underground, Chairman, for the safety of water. Chairman, in Jamaica here, when we drive past our reservoirs and other catchment areas, we see people washing, people swimming, people doing all sorts of things in the water that is going back or being filtered to our homes.
And with worsening drought conditions, he's urging central government to make water security a top priority of any plans to improve the country's water systems.
Chairman, when I look at what is happening at the National Water Commission, where they have a plant and vandals go there, Chairman, and destroy the plant to steal the wires, leaving an entire parish, Chairman, in a situation where we have water shortage and we have to face and bear the blunt of this.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.